Hi, yeah, I'm Jenny from the founder of Jenny Nordic Skincare, and I created Jenny Nordic Skincare is all about like simple, minimal, high-performance skincare rituals that make the skin healthy, make the skin glow, and the people who use my products to feel radiant. I got the inspiration for Jenny Nordic Skincare from my own heritage. I wanted to bring together the Nordic minimalism. I wanted to have like a sustainable angle to it, and just to like bring life my love to skincare. I wanted to create like a skincare ritual or skincare routine that covers everything, that you don't need more products than those three, that is very minimal but yet high performing, and you don't need to compromise with the results you want. So it's all about skin health. It's to balance the skin, whichever skin concern you might have. It's there to solve that and make your skin glow and you feel radiant. Next for my brand, I want Jenny Nordic to grow. I'm working it to get into more retailers, to more hands of more people, and maybe also expanding the product line with some other essentials.
I always get sent lots of boxes of products made by our graduates, and I've just received this one in the post and I want to unbox it together with you. It's from our graduate Jenny Nordic, who's in the UK. She has Finnish heritage and she's inspired by Nordic ingredients. So let's see what's inside the box. So Jenny sent me this lovely, lovely card with her brand on it, and it says, "Hi Lorraine, I hope you're super well. Please find all the products from my skincare line here. I really hope you love them. Thank you so much for Formula Botanica. I wouldn't be here without you. Love from Jenny." Jenny, thank you so much. That's so kind of you. And she's even included some herbal teas, which she probably knows are my favorite. So let's have a look at what we've got. So the first product I've got here is Jenny's Glow and Revitalize Oil Serum. And by the way, I'm loving the green and blue on the side of the packaging. So this serum contains Arctic blackcurrant, Nordic oats and squalane. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that beautiful colour. Absolutely beautiful. So this is obviously an oil serum, and it contains lots of amazing ingredients by the looks of things, such as squalane, grapeseed oil, rosehip seed oil, oat kernel oil, cranberry seed oil, blackcurrant seed oil. There you go, all those amazing Nordic berries, all packed into this phenomenal looking oil serum. Let me just try it on my skin. It has a faint berry fragrance actually, which is really lovely. It's not very strong, which I actually love. I'm not a huge fan of lots of fragrance, and it sinks into the skin really beautifully, which isn't surprising because of all those incredible berry oils in here. So that's Jenny's Glow and Revitalize Oil Serum. Let's look at the next one. So this is Jenny's Rehydrate and Balance Beauty Essence. So this looks to be a water-based toner, like a water-based serum. Yeah, there you go, you can see it. It's a little bit cloudy, and that suggests to me that it's water-based. And if I look at the ingredients, it contains vitamin B3, niacinamide. We've got all sorts of interesting things. Lingonberry fruit extract, oat kernel extract, purlolan, which is a very interesting ingredient. So yes, this one is absolutely packed full of skin beneficial properties for this lovely water-based serum. It's like a gel serum on the skin. It's really light. And I love how incredibly simple the branding is.
I wanted to create something that pops out, but it's still like simple, minimal, elegant. And with my designer, we came up with the design that took inspiration from the Northern Lights.
So the third and final product I've been sent is Jenny's Smooth Oil to Milk Cleanser. And this contains camellia oil and Nordic oats. So let's have a look at what it comes out as. There you go. So that's an oil to milk cleanser, and if I now put that in water, it will turn to a milky substance, which is really perfect for cleaning the skin. And this cleanser contains sunflower oil, it contains castor seed oil, really good for cleansing, both of those oils. We've got oat kernel oil, lime oil, blood orange peel oil, palmarosa, lavender, lots of botanicals in here, again with that Nordic influence. and it smells phenomenal. Really, really gorgeous. I can't wait to try it on my facial skin. So thank you very much, Jenny, for sending me these amazing products. I love them. They're incredible. Now you should go and buy some too. Go and support Jenny Nordic and go and get your own Nordic-inspired skincare brand for in your bathroom shelf.